Hello everyone, my name is Hemu and today we are going to discuss how to basically generate the tech support file in your Palo Alto firewall, how to generate the state dump file and how to generate the core file, right? And how we can basically do the debugging and management pickup files, right? So these are the some files which may ask from you by the Palo Alto tech team when you used to raise any tech case. Maybe you need to basically do the analysis of all these file types for doing the day-to-day troubleshooting activities in your Palo Alto firewall. So guys, before going into this particular discussion, let me just go through with my YouTube channel. So because you know all these particular videos I'm going to upload on my YouTube channel. So let me just type here youtube.com/@Hemusher. So this is the YouTube channel belongs to me and you will get all the necessary updates, all the latest videos I used to upload here. Basically, so here you will get all the videos which is basically which belongs to me. And also apart from that, we do have one more YouTube channel like Skill Inspirational Academy, and my YouTube channel name is Sianets, and another one is Skill Inspirational Academy. So here also you will get able to see almost all type of videos on F5 and other things, right? And guys, one more thing before starting this session, let me just tell you one thing. So guys, we are starting one F5 advanced web training from 30th of July. This batch we will start from 30th of July. Once your F5 web will complete, we will start the Palo Alto firewall. And so it's a like combo batch. And if you want to enroll for both the trainings, you have to pay 12,000 INR to get this training. And this is the weekends batch. So your classes will happen Saturday and Sunday, starting from 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. IST for F5 ASM. And your Palo Alto classes will start from 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. IST. So guys, these are the timing for these particular sessions. So if you really interested, you can able to reach out to me or you can reach out to us. These are the numbers. If you will see in this banner, these are the numbers which is mentioned. This number belongs to me, so you can directly reach out to me as well. Okay, cool. Now, and guys, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, and so you will get the latest videos here because I used to upload 2 videos every week. Okay, now let me give you some idea. So let's discuss what is tech support file. So because you know, when you used to do any type of troubleshooting or when you used to open a tech case, Palo Alto engineers or tech engineer definitely he will ask the tech support file, right? So tech support team uses the tech support file, is also known as TSF, to help troubleshooting the issue that you may be experiencing in your Palo Alto firewall. So the tech support file contains your device configuration, system information, and it will also have a log information, like log information basically, like they are not the traffic logs. It is completely safe to share this tech support file with the Palo Alto network support team or Palo Alto tech team, as this helps the support engineers to understand your configuration and they can basically help you in the isolation of your issues, whatever you are facing. Now let's see how we can generate this particular file. So if you want to generate this file, what you have to do, you have to log in into your firewall, you have to go to into device tab, then support. So let me go here. I have logged into my firewall. You can go into device tab. In device tab, you have to go into support here. So device tab, let's search for support here. Click on this support here. Now when you will go into this support here, you will be able to get your contract. Okay, like I have a premium level of support, 24/7 phone support I will get, advanced replacement hardware service also I will get. Right now you can see here this tech support file. If you will click on this option, proceed to generate the tech support file, click on yes. Now you can see your tech support file generation is started. Now what it will do, it will now from here your tech support file will be generated. You can see around 10% is completed. And guys, you can see here as well. See, job is started to generate this particular tech support file. You can able to track. And if you will go with this like show job ID and you can put the job ID, you will get the more detail. And 40% completed. You can go here, see 40% is complete. This particular file generation will take some time, so we have to wait. And guys, if you want to generate the tech support file for Panorama, then you have to go into this Panorama tab, then support tab. And what you have to click under the tech support file and you have to click into the generate tech support file and your tech support file will be generated. We can also generate, this is the graphical way of generating the tech support file. Even though we can also able to generate the tech support file by using the tftp command and scp command. Scp we use for the secure copy. So if you have a like scp server configured, you can use scp. Like tftp I am having, so let me just start my tftp server. Let me just start that server right now here. You can see my tftp server is running. And like this server will save the data in my in my D drive, my desktop. There is a one FTP folder here. You can see your tech support file is generated. Now we can download this file. Let me save this file into my desktop here. Now let me also show you how we can generate the tech support file with the help of CLI. So we have to run this command tftp. Then you will see export tech support. Now what you have to define the remote port, source IP, all these details. What I want to send this file to my TFTP host having IP address 192.168.137.1, because you know I am running this services on that particular IP address as well. You can see. Hit enter. Process has been started. And you can see it has collected the show admin all command output. Like these are the command which will basically run. Why I have basically run this particular by a CLI, because we just wanted to check all this detail. Okay. See, so SD-WAN related things like debug wildfire content, so system, hardware acceleration module, right? Hardware security module, right? Debug data plane regarding DOS protection, content version, like user ID related things, right? This is the output which it will collect basically. See, It will collect like so admin also clock, so system software status. It will basically tell the status of your daemon, so jobs pending, so job process, so system info, so system last commit, so system file, so system log db quota, right? So system disk space, debug software disk, then so system setting, URL database, everything. These are the commands it will run. Basically, you can see lots of data it will collect actually. Now it is connected with this server on port this one. Now it is trying to put this particular file, and you can see data is transferring from 190 to 160, 130, 122. This is my firewall IP, right? You can see transfer is going on. So that's how we can able to generate the Tac Support file by using the CLI. And I'm using TFTP because SCP I don't have. So that is the reason I have used here TFTP server. And we can able to see that things here, right? Process is happening. It tries 8 left. Let's see. Meanwhile, this process is going on because I have already download this Tac Support file, right? This is the one. So I'll go here and I'll just extract. I will just click and I will just extract to this folder. It is just extracted. Now you can go here. Now you will get in generally this Tac Support file in TZ format. Now it is in a tar format. So I have to extract again here. Now you can see this is the content available in your Tac Support file. Go into this etc directory. Here you will see you can open with Notepad++. Here you will see all that particular detail. Not too much useful detail in etc directory. OPT. Here you can able to get the pen configuration related things like management. Here you have a audit device, global, saved configuration, right? You can see this is the saved configuration in your firewall. In global, you will get like global information like your user information, content ID, antivirus, all these details, right? Then this is your syslog related syslog related logs. Then here you will see some temp data. Here you will be able to see the updates, right? Old content updates and other things. Now you have a OPT pen. Here you will get the content related information, URL cloud list, right? This is the list of my URL servers for PenDB. In where you can go into this log. Here you will able to see app log. Like here you will able to see all the global protect related logs, right? App 3. Then you will have a SSL VPN log, right? Then we have a HTTPD daemon log here. Right now we don't have anything. Then Nginx. This is the Nginx daemon logs. Nginx will take care of your captive portal, your global protect, all these things. The net stat, here you can able to see the net stat related information, right? You can open with Notepad as well, and you can able to get the details. These are the connections. Sorry, NTP stats. It's not net stat, NTP stats. Then loop stats, peer stats, right? You will get all these details. Then this is the pen. And here you will get your daemons log. Actually, this is the most important directory. Here you will get the daemons with regards to authentication D, right? Here you will get all the authentication related logs. These are the file which have more detail and they will help you, right? can see we have a log for 4th 24th July, right? And today is 27th, right? You can go down, you can able to get the details. These are the 20 latest log on 27th, right? Today's log, right? When we have logged in. So this is your authority daemon, then VFD, VRD isn't, right? All the daemons are available here. CryptoD, Dagger, right? Device server, data plane daemon, EHMon, right? L2 control, L3 SBC, right? Log DB, all these daemons are there. Then your management plane related daemons, right? Pen task, all logs are there, right? So this is the most important file. Like they used to validate this file. Then Redis is the database. This is for I think satellite VPN, right? Now go back. Here you will have other things as well if you want to check. Here you can able to get the core detail. Like suppose if you are working on a hardware device which have a multiple cores, you will get the details here, right? So this is the basically configuration you will get into this opt directory, and here in pen config, here you will able to see the configuration. Okay, here you will get your configuration, saved configuration and all. Okay, so this is the information generally available into your tech support file, and that information used by the tech engineers for doing the validation. Now you can see data has, this C file has been generated and it has just sent out. And now if you will go into this FTP directory, into C drive, my desktop, FTP, and you will able to see this is the file, right? So we can also copy with the help of CLI. Now you can also able to basically, if you have a SCP, like if you have a SFTP type of server, then you can use this SCP export command. It will also generate the tech support file and it will upload there. The third way, if you wish to generate the tech support file and directly upload it to the tech upload server, means what used to happen whenever we will raise a tech case, generally they will basically provide us the one tech case ID or tech case number, I can say. Now what happens if we directly want to upload that file into that, but against this case ID, what we can do, we can use this command scp export tech support file to, this is the, let's suppose this is your tech case number or tech case ID, generally the tech case number, or I can say your SR number for your tech case. Then you have to go into, put this URL like techupload.paloaltonetworks.com, and you have to make sure you are able to ping this particular URL from your Palo Alto firewall. If ping will work, then only you can able to upload. Okay, this is the one more way, like from CLI you can able to do. But what you can also use the, using the Palo Alto Tech upload service. What we have to go to into this https://techupload.paloaltonetworks.com, and where we have to type the case number and the email ID under which the case was opened. Check the option I'm not a robot to ensure you are not a robot, and then log in, and after that you can drag and drop your file. Like it's like a web upload. Directly we are uploading by logging. Basically we can method two is using the Palo Alto Network customer support portal. Even though we can log in, we can upload using the support portal. So we have to log in into the Palo Alto support portal, like support.paloaltonetworks.com. Click the support case, and when we will click in left hand side, you will get your case number, and where you will get the options to upload the files. So you can upload directly from there as well. The third way, we can use the CLI directly. This is the command for that. We have already discussed this command. Here we have to mention the tech case number. That's how that's the way of generating your tech support file, and that's the way we can basically upload the tech support file. Now there's a one more file in your Palo Alto firewall is Palo Alto state dump file. A state dump file is a set of XML reports that summarize the network traffic over last 7 days. Means generally your state files contain the XML reports in a summarized way for your last 7-day traffic. After the report is generated, you can download the state dump file. The Palo Alto Networks or authorized partner system engineer uses the report to generate a security lifecycle review. The security lifecycle review highlights what has been found on the network and the associated business of security risk that may be present and is typically used as a part of evaluation process. And how we can generate this particular state dump file? In method 1, we have to go to into device support and device, then support, and we have to generate the state dump file from here. Let me log in. Device tab, then you have to go into support here, and after that what you have to click here, like generate the state dump file, and it will basically start generating that dump file. So jobs all, you can see job has been finished. I think no, we cannot able to see. I think that's job here. Yeah, this is the job, right? We can able to see. Yes, now you can see file has been generated. Now you can download this file. File has been downloaded. Let me just go into that file, because you know it is downloaded with the help of this IDM. I'll go here, I'll open the folder. Now this is the file, right? What you have to do, you can basically extract here. Now extract the star file. You will get this particular reports here, like application report.xml, right? Category report.xml. If I can open this report with one of my browser, let's suppose Microsoft Edge. So like that, you will get these reports in a XML format, guys. Okay. So this is your state dump file. We can also able to generate the state dump file with the help of CLI. For that, we have to run this command. TFTP export state dump. TFTP export state dump to 192.168.137.1. Hit enter. Now you can see it is generating the application report, generating the application HTTP application report, category report, risk report, threat report, source country report, destination country report, URL category report, subcategory report, right? Technology report, data report. Now we will use these reports for the analysis purpose. File finish the generating the reports. Please press enter to continue. And now you can see it has just connected and it has just uploaded this particular file as well. Okay. So that's how we can able to generate the state dump file. Sometime we can, if you want, you can use the SCP as well. If you want to generate this file, you can able to directly upload this file into the tech support case, right? So you have a multiple ways to do that. We can also run this command. Use the dump support details command to display the device configuration current state, logs, and code dump summaries. So this is the command like dump support detail. Dump this command is not available. Let me go into this config mode. I think this command is not available into this Windows. Sorry, this particular VM device. Okay, I don't have anything with regards to this D on this Palo Alto. No, not available. Maybe in hardware box we will able to run this command, but here we don't have in VM. And after that, guys, we have a core files. Let me tell you, generally this core file when we will use, let's suppose you have configured the IPsec site-to-site VPN in this Palo Alto firewall, and everyone know this IPsec site-to-site VPN is process, or this action process is handled by the daemon called IKE or IKE manager. This is the daemon who is responsible for IPsec VPN related or IPsec VPN related stuff in your Palo Alto firewall. Let's suppose this particular daemon is corrupted, or the whatever code or whatever the program who is basically initiating this process is having some issues, having some bug. And how we will troubleshoot these type of issues? For that, these type of issues only we have to basically generate the core files. If your firewall experience a system process failure, means because you know IKE is a process, key MGR is a process, HA agent is a process, your authd is a process, right? If these processes failing, what it will generate a core file that contain the details about the process and why it failed. And guys, what these tech engineers of Palo Alto engineering team, what they will use basically this core files to basically backtrack the issue. Download core files, link to view a list of available core files, then click on the core file name to download it. After you download the file, upload it to the Palo Alto network support case to obtain the assistance in resolving the issue. And the command, if you want to check, you can go here, you can run this command. So system files, you can able to see the files here, like how many core we are having, like we are having core files, right? There's a one crash info file is there, right? There is one file available inside the OPT directory in pen logs. There is a code right here. We have a file right now. The core file can be exported from Palo Alto Network Firewall or Panorama with the following command. We can use this command, SCP export core file management plane from to the user, and we have to put that IP detail. We can directly upload this file into the Palo Alto tech case. We can use the TFTP as well to do the same thing. And guys, like we are not uploading here, but we are generating the core file for data plane 0, data plane 1, data plane 2. If we are working with Palo Alto 5200 series box or 7000 series box or 5400 series box, right? These they are having the multiple cores, right? So we have to use this command basically, right? So what I will do, I will use this SCP export core file management plane to into what you can do, you can define from star. What you can do, you can put like that, like from star to. Now what you have to put here, the username, IP address and the path. So let me put the username is 192.168.137.1. or not username. Let me put like Hemu @ 192.168.137.1. Then you have to define the path, right? Generally, I am not having any HCP server as of now, which is running. So like this thing will not work. I'm 100% sure, but that's how basically you have to basically deal with the core files. That's how we have to basically deal with the core files. So guys, these are the mainly 3 types of files which are available in your Palo Alto device, and we will use these files for doing different type of troubleshooting. And generally, the last file, this core file, this file you will not able to analyze. Only the Palo Alto peoples, they are having some type of special tool who can basically read the information from these files, right? So they are only basically able to view the information or read the information from these particular files. Just remember, these are the backtrace type of files. Okay, so guys, these are the few things which I wanted to discuss with regards to this particular session. Like regarding the troubleshooting, right? If you really wants to learn the troubleshooting, I have around 70 plus hours of course totally based on the troubleshooting. I have around 70 hours of training totally on troubleshooting, where I have covered around 20 hours. I did the global protect troubleshooting. Around 16 hours I did the IPsec VPN related troubleshooting, where I have shown how we can decrypt your IPsec packets, your global protect packet. Then we have 8 hours of URL filtering troubleshooting. Then we have around 8 hours of user ID related troubleshooting. I have covered like I have around 7 hours of SAML related troubleshooting, how to configure, how to do the troubleshooting for SAML. Like I have used Okta, right? I have enabled the multi-factor authentication using OTP. There are multiple things I have covered. Like it's around 70 hours of training, totally on Palo Alto firewall. So if you are interested, what you can do, you can contact me for this particular training, or either if you want, what you can do, you can basically also, you have to go to into this web.class+app.com. This is the website where you have to go, web.class+app.com. This is my portal. And what here do you have to do? Actually, let me just open like that. It is logging me directly into my admin account, web.class+app.com. When you will log in here, you have to put the organization code, which is VNCPH, and you have to put your mobile number, and you have to basically log in there. And after that, when you will log in, you can able to basically go into my portal, where you will able to see all the courses available, all the courses which are available into my portal. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much for joining me today. Take care, guys. Bye.